देखता हूँ. Now probably we are going into that cave in the mangroves. I don't know whether he will take us there or no. Probably seems to. Yes, that's a tunnel in the mangroves. That's a natural tunnel of the mangroves.
है ना जा रहा है ना.
उधर से बोट आ रही इसलिए स्लो जा रहा है. See, another boat is coming out from there. That's a natural tunnel in the mangrove. अपनी फॉरेनर से भी दोस्ती है. Wow, how beautiful.
बढ़िया.
We are going into the mangrove tunnel right through. Beautiful experience. I'll recommend that anybody seeing this video should come here and do this activity. There's $100 for the boat, right? 1 to 1.5 hours. See, we are exiting the tunnel now. Okay, this is Bentota signing off.